guys, it's a Christmas party to us. It's Pitawa Christmas party. So we're doing our games today.
Hello everyone!
Brother Nato will be the first gonna do.
First victim.
So what we gonna do? May bote itong, diba? May bote itong glass. Tapos pupunutin niya yung tissue kung saan na-stop. Kasi maputol yung tissue kasi mag-tip over yung water, diba? So pag tip over ng water, maputol yung tissue. Tapos makakainin na kung saan naputol. Saan tatapat na putol na tissue. So yun yung punishment niya pag naputol yun.
Okay. Countdown mo ako. 1, 2, 3.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3.
Now go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yay! Ayaw siya ngayon.
Ayan na! Naputol na.
Pag nakuha ko yun, may prize ako.
Pag di yan naputol ako,
may prize ako.
May prize ka talaga. Oo, panalo ka.
Ay, malapit na.
Wala, hindi talaga yan naputol.
Huwag mo kitulak. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3,
go! Let's go!
It's not ka. Come on, house. You get a prize, John. You get a prize.
You get a prize.
Thank you. Manong, that's it. You're next. Hihilahin mo lang to. Tapos, pag naputol mo, kakainin mo yung katapat, ha? Punishment. Pag hindi mo naputol hanggang sa yung baso.
Dapat dito may putulin mo, Kuya Dan.
Teka muna, pag nakarating din yung baso, may prize ka. Teka, Manong, wait, ha? Wait. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Yay!
Dapat babaan natin. Haba-haba
siguro. Hindi naman naputol agad yan eh. Sige na.
Congratulations!
Ganyan, Yuan na lang. Yuan.
Taasan natin.
Ano pangalan ko yan?
Julius.
Julius. Wow, okay, go. He's also a vlogger. She's also
Ang vlogger?
Doon yung member ng Tawa.
She's live on your YouTube. It's live on your YouTube now.
Alright.
I didn't live it, but I put the record on.
Wait, Angelina.
Okay, guys.
You have to sit down. Sorry.
Daya. Okay. Sandali.
Okay. Sorry. Okay.
Lagi sinasadya yan ata.
Hindi naman.
Mamaya sasadya talaga.
Ayan.
Oh,
Okay.
basa na.
Ready?
Basa na.
Teka, ulit.
Sana eh.
Sorry. Okay, ulit. Kasi Lisa, pakinagay din.
Welcome pala.
Hello!
Ah,
Nagpalahubog na kami. Palahubog na.
Ayan. Sige.
Habaan mo lang. Ready? And get set!
Go! Ayan, may panalo.
Buti na lang.
There we go, congratulations.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
Okay, next, sino? Elsa. Ayan. Ayan, he has to eat that. You have to eat that. Punishment. Alright. Thank you, Pete.
Hi, everyone. Nice meeting you.
Go. Puno. Easy. There we go. You have to eat this one. Come on in the video here. You have to eat that. Come on, eat. And here. You have to eat that here. Bite. Come on, let's bite. Get the bite. Come on. Go to bite. Go to bite. What is this? Go eat it. Alright. Congratulations. Arm. Pick. Next. No. I can't. Next one!
Kayo naman.
Tapos yung sila, thank you!
Ah, si Ophelia, si Ophelia. Si Ophelia.
Congratulations! Next number!
Alright. Come here, Taleng. Come here. Video tayo. Asan yung video mo, Lisa? Ayan, ah.
Ayan na, naka-on na.
Ayan, ah.
We're ready
That's
na.
the life we're
Ready?
doing, Lord. We're raising the YouTuber. Lisa?
Hello!
That's all your... The whole tribe of Philippines is there watching.
Okay, hang on. Actually,